Good evening, everyone. This is Python course. Today's first problem is we will going to swap two numbers in Python. So we'll take input from the user num1 equals to input the first num. Similarly for number 2 int num2. Now we have to swap the numbers. So first we will store the num1 in a temporary variable, and we will store the num2 in num1, and we will give the num2 as temp. Now we will see that after swapping the numbers, what we will get. We'll check. Enter 45, 59. See, after swapping, we can also present the numbers before swapping, like print values before swapping. Num1 comma num2. Now you can see that if values before swapping is 45, 89, after swapping it is 89, 45. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next question.